Hello, my fellow Nigerians. Sunday Igboho is asking for permission to go after the Fulani Headsmen hiding in the forest. If he is permitted, then he can go ahead and look for them, says Igboho. He says, I will go after herdsmen hiding in the forest if you give me permission, Igboho tells federal government. He insisted that he is always ready to defend his kinsmen against the activities of bandits and rogue herders, adding that it is a wicked act to unleash violence on innocent farmers trying to earn a living. Yoruba nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, is seeking permission from the federal government to go after bandits hiding in the forest across the southwest region. Speaking via a statement made available to newsmen on Thursday, Igboho lamented that he can no longer stand by and watch bandits attacking, killing, and raping his people. He insisted that he is always ready to defend his kinsmen against the activities of bandits and rogue herders, adding that it is a wicked act to unleash violence on innocent farmers trying to earn a living. He said, I can't fold my arms and refuse to stop the marauding bandits and herdsmen attacking, raping, and killing my people, engaging in farming and other legitimate activities in various communities. I will go after the bandits and the herdsmen lurking in the forest and some communities in the southwest, provided the government gives me the go-ahead to do so. I'm always ready to defend and protect my kinsmen anywhere in the southwest against the inimical activities of bandits and rogue herders who have already infiltrated our forest. It is callous and unjustifiable for anyone or group of people to unleash violence on innocent farmers earning their living anywhere in Nigeria. Government and other relevant stakeholders must rise to ensure the safety of the citizenry. My people, this is what we are saying. Igboho wants to defend his people, but he's seeking permission from the government. They should give him the necessary order to do what he wants to do, so that the Yoruba land will be free. Insecurity there will be a thing of the past. In the comment section, here's what some of our own they are saying. Better don't bother yourself, Oloye, until we are all tired. Presently, there are many religions and the political saboteurs. My brothers and sisters, he said, I don't think you know what you want. Wait for it. Well, I commend the magnanimous gesture of Sunday Igboho to still offer to assist the people of Southwest on the trend of insecurity from invading bandits. Government should try and give him the requested permission, because we all felt the hardship caused by the activities of herdsmen in the past, which led to food shortages and famine phobia. Bandits are already here. We must not allow Boko boys or La Kurawa to expand their tentacles here. You are not serious. When you went to the UK and submitted your intention to exit Nigeria, did you access the federal government permission, simply ask federal government or the southwest state governors for the contract of a forest guard than to come with a colorful, deceitful culture. The same people you want to take out of Nigeria is the same people you want to, the same federal government to grant you the permission to protect. See freedom fighter, says one of our own. You dey wait for permission to buy who dey buy you people. Permission or support fear man. Federal government, please give him the permission. Sunday Igboho done too much. Wow. But you were once the very permission that you are now looking for. You have it. During the Buhari time, you caused serious destruction. With time, the permission for that will be granted expressly. Is this man not the man? Which side is he? You are fighting for your own country because of what some people is doing to your people. Now your brother is now president. You drop the fight and start asking for federal government for permission to go and fight others alive, you Yoruba, in French, because they don't know what they want. You are the most useful human being in the whole universe. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. When some are bringing it, taking it up, some are bringing it down. That is human being for you. You were different from the newspaper commanders who always give command on the pages of a newspaper. Now, take action as you normally do. Don't allow anybody to give you permission before doing anything. Supported, it is laughable that Chief Adeyemo is not taking issues into his hand. Excuse me. But wants to collaborate with the governments. One would expect the government to reciprocate the kind gesture where the law enforcement and the military agencies might face some imitations. The Igboho team may have the advantage of bringing conversant with the terrain. I agree that government should give him the permission to face the enemies of Yorubas. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion on this issue of Igboho fighting the herders that are disturbing the western region. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.